Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. A couple of months ago, I posted a full tutorial on a fairly new cashback / brand loyalty app called Brandclub. Because that app is fairly new, it's been undergoing some changes and tweaks to make it even better and more user-friendly. But because of that, you guys and myself included have had some updated questions since my tutorial came out. So this video today is going to focus on answering some of the most frequently asked questions that I have heard related to using the Brandclub app. If you haven't heard of Brandclub yet, you definitely want to check out my full tutorial, which I will link down in the video description box below. But it's a brand loyalty app that gives you rewards for purchasing your favorite brands, as well as doing things like taking surveys and giving your feedback to those brands. But in this video, we are answering your questions about the app. And I say we because I came up with this list of questions based on the questions that you all have been asking me, either over on Instagram or in the comment section on YouTube. And I worked with Brandclub to get you guys those answers. Even better, we are hosting a giveaway. So 2 winners will receive a $100 gift card. So let me tell you how to get entered. First of all the official details can be found in the video description box below, but here's the Cliff Notes version. You want to be subscribed to my channel, you need to like the video, drop a comment below, tell me something you're looking forward to this summer. The 2 winners will be selected on May 10th and will be announced in my Walmart video on Wednesday. The winners must be active Brandclub app users. So the first question I'm going to answer in multiple parts. But the question is, how does Brandclub recognize what I'm purchasing? So first of all, when you get the app, you will be prompted to link your accounts. Right now, you can link your Target, Amazon, Walmart, and even your Chewy account. So linking your account lets Brandclub know when you're making purchases after you've hit the sync button. When you sync, which is a little plus sign on the app, it will pull the data from your Walmart, Amazon, Target, and Chewy accounts, and then you will start to see that activity pop up in the Brandclub app. So another question I hear quite a bit is, in order to get rewards from Brandclub, does it matter how I pay? So here is the answer. And I'm going to break this down into whether you're shopping in-store or online. So let's talk about online first. If you are shopping online, you want to shop through whatever account you have linked to Brandclub. So if I have my personal Target account linked to Brandclub, I want to do my online shopping under my Target account. Now, if I go to my husband's computer and he had a Target account and I'm shopping through his Target account, that's not going to link to my Brandclub. I need to make sure I am using and shopping through the account that I have linked to Brandclub. In that case, you want to check out and pay with any payment method that is associated with your Target account. So if you have a credit card on file with Target, or you have gift cards that are on your account at Target, and you pay via one of those methods, when you sync to Brandclub, it will recognize those purchases. Another question I have heard, does Brandclub work on curbside pickup? So I can tell you I have done curbside pickup at Target using my Target account. I go and I pick up my groceries, I sync to Brandclub, and it works beautifully. Now, if you are doing Walmart curbside pickup, make sure when you are shopping through your Walmart account, you are paying with a payment method that is associated with your Walmart account. So again, if you have a credit card saved on your Walmart account, make sure you pay with that and then sync to Brandclub. Now let's talk about if you are shopping in store. So I have done this and I can verify that it works. When I go shop at Target in store, I check out. I then pay with my Target account by using the My Wallet option. I scan that barcode on my Target app, and then I sync to Brandclub, and it recognizes my purchases. Now with Walmart, you can pay at the register with a credit card that is associated with your Walmart account. But a lot of people have asked, can I use a gift card and Brandclub still recognize my purchases with Walmart? The answer is yes, and let me show you how. After you have checked out at Walmart, paid whatever method you want to pay, cash, gift card, credit card, whatever you want to do, open your Walmart app, okay? Then click on Account, then click on Purchases. You're gonna see a little scanner at the top right-hand corner. Click on that, scan your receipt. That is going to get your recent purchase added to your Walmart account, then sync to Brandclub, and Brandclub will recognize those purchases. Another question I have heard is, how do I even know I'm buying products that qualify for rewards? So here's the answer, and this is something I learned today, so this is exciting. Open your Brandclub app. Click on the button that says Shop. When you do that, you're gonna see a search bar pop up. Search for whatever brand it is of the product that you're gonna buy. So let's say I type in Craft. Okay, then I want to filter those products by the store I want to shop at. So I'm going to click those little lines and I'm going to filter for Walmart. Okay, once I do that, I need to swipe down on the page to get the page to refresh, and it is going to show me all of the Craft brand products that I can purchase at Walmart that will qualify for rewards. Now, if I'm shopping at Target, I do the same thing, except I filter by Target. So a popular question is, why are my rewards locked? Having a locked reward means you have completed a rewardable action. So items like purchasing a product, taking a survey, joining a club, referring a friend, all of those will result in locked rewards. In order to unlock your rewards to be able to cash out, you have to purchase a product. Once you've purchased a product, you're going to see that become a pending reward. And then once the retailer confirms that you have in fact made that purchase, you will see it transition from pending to unlocked rewards to be able to cash out. So the next question you may have is, why is it pending retailer confirmation? Or what does it mean when it says that? So once you have made your purchase and you've synced your account to Brandclub, you're going to see some activity pop up, and some of those purchases are going to show pending retailer confirmation. That just means your purchase is being verified. So that will happen whether you're shopping online or in store. Once the retailer confirms that you did in fact purchase the product that it shows you purchased, you will see those rewards become unlocked to cash out. That process can take anywhere between 5 and 15 days. The majority of people are telling me they see that happening within 4 days. Another question is, do I have to spend a certain amount of money to have my locked rewards unlocked? So the answer is, you have to spend more on the product than what the reward will give you. So for instance, if you've taken a survey that gives you $2 in locked rewards for craft products, you have to purchase a craft product that's more than that survey amount. So if you took a $2 survey, you have to buy a product that is over $2 in order to get that money unlocked in your account. The very next question people have, and it's very logical, is if I buy multiple lower priced items of that brand, will that combined total being over the survey amount allow me to get that survey money? The answer is no. One single item has to be above the reward amount in order for that amount to become unlocked. Another thing to keep in mind is each single purchase is only going to unlock one reward. So if I've taken 4 craft surveys and I buy 3 craft products in one shopping transaction, it is only going to unlock one of those survey rewards. The number one question that I have heard from you all is, how do I get in contact with them? What is the best way? So their advice for the best way to contact them is open the app, click on the person in the top right-hand corner. That's your account. From there, you want to click on customer support. Once you open that, you will see a number of reasons why you could contact them for help. Select the most appropriate reason, and that opens an inquiry to them. There's a text box where you can write and then submit that inquiry to Brandclub. The next most frequently asked question that I've heard is, how do I cash out? Is there a minimum? Is there a maximum? Where can I cash out to? So let me answer those questions. You can cash out once your account reaches a minimum of $10. You can cash out a maximum of $50 per 24-hour period. You can cash out to either Venmo or PayPal. During the sign-up process, you are prompted to add your info for either PayPal or Venmo. You can add them both if you want, but this is how you cash out when you are ready. You click on the Rewards tab, you click on Cash Out, and then you will select whether you want to cash out to your Venmo or your PayPal account. Why does it keep telling me to turn my notifications on? Well, you want to turn your notifications on because that will allow you to have access to exclusive offers, as well as allow you to easily cash out to either Venmo or PayPal. If you're brand new and just starting setting up your Brandclub account, turn on your notifications when prompted to do so through that startup process. Now, if you've already had Brandclub and you're using an iPhone, and this is the situation that I fall into, and you click on Enable Notifications, you'll notice that you're not able to do that. Apple is aware of the problem, and Brandclub is working with them to get that fixed. Another super popular question has to do with surveys. Sometimes when people are taking the survey, they'll get to the very end and basically their survey is denied because it says the quality of their responses isn't good enough. So what does someone do in that situation? Why is that happening? So Brandclub is wanting to make sure that customers are providing adequate, honest, good feedback to the brands that they work with. So if you are taking these surveys way too fast, you're likely going to get kicked out and not have your survey accepted because the system, the app is feeling like you're answering these questions too fast. Now, I get it. If you use the app a lot, you know the questions, right? Because we've done a number of surveys. And so it's easy to answer these questions quickly because you already kind of know what you're going to be asked. But my advice on this is slow down. Sometimes I've noticed that the functionalities in Brandclub disappear. Why is that happening? So this happened recently with a couple of different functionalities, and I noticed it as well. And I was just thinking, okay, they're probably running an update on the survey function, and that's why it went away for a minute. I think it was less than 24 hours that it went away. But if you happen to log into the app during that time, you're like, wait a second, what happened? Where did these surveys go? So just know that has happened when they are doing updates to their system. But don't worry, I have seen those come back pretty quickly, and so that's not something that I would really worry about. Another very popular question. I referred a friend, or I used your referral link, and I didn't get my referral bonus. Why is that? Okay, so here is what needs to happen. In order for it to be a qualified referral, the person you refer has to be an active Brandclub user. That means they have to actually get the app using your referral link and then connect at least one of the retailers. So they have to connect to their Amazon account, their Target account, their Walmart account, and then be using the app. If no user activity is recorded, that doesn't count as a qualified referral for Brandclub. So if you refer a friend, make sure that they keep shopping and keep syncing in Brandclub after they're doing their shopping. That way they get their rewards, you get your referral bonus, and they get their referral bonus. Now let's talk about a new feature that the app has that's exciting, that did not even exist when I did my original Brandclub tutorial. I talked about it a little bit on my Instagram to give you guys a heads heads up, but it's called Best Rewards. So from the home screen of the app, scroll down just a little bit to where you see Best Rewards, and in there you're going to see some exclusive daily updated offers. And you can scroll through those offers to see if any fit your interest. And if there's one that you want to take advantage of, like there was an Ollie vitamin offer that was $4.99 and it gave you a $5 reward. Hello freebie. So what you would do is you click on the offer, and it was an Amazon offer. So it took me to my Amazon account. Now remember, it needs to go to the account that you have linked to your brand club. Okay. And when I clicked on that, I purchased the vitamin. Then I synced my account as soon as I made that purchase, and you would see that $5 show up in your account as pending. Now, as soon as that sucker gets delivered to your door, you're gonna wanna sync your app again, and then that $5 or whatever the reward amount is will be unlocked for you to be able to cash out. So that's a pretty cool new offer. So that's something you're gonna have to open the app daily and just see what is on offer for the day. They are available in limited quantities. So if it's an offer that you wanna take advantage of, you better jump on it quick. Someone asked a great question today that I hadn't even thought of because I shop so regularly. They said, hey, how long do I have to unlock a reward? So let's say I take a survey today. Do I have to actually purchase a product within a certain period of time to have that money unlocked? So the answer is you have 365 days. You got a year to purchase a product from that brand to get that money unlocked. Okay. So that is my FAQ video for you guys on Brand Club. Now, as with anything, it's going to evolve. It's going to change. They're going to get new features. They may change a feature. I can't predict what's going to happen. I don't work for them. But if you have additional questions or if you encounter additional issues and you want to drop those comments and questions down in the comment section below, I'm happy to look into getting you some of those answers. But after watching this video, you know the best way to contact their customer support as well. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Don't forget to get yourself entered into the giveaway.